then turn right.
It's definitely right by the interstate. Here it is.
Turn right,
How
then arrive at your
cute.
destination.
Look at this entrance. Oh, roll into the arch, roll down your window and have your ID ready and head
Arrived.
to your room. Drive through check-in. Check in done from your car. Oh, they're coming here, okay.
Hi.
Hello. Yes.
Alrighty, can I grab your ID and your credit card?
Okay.
I thought I saw a pair of dog ears.
Yes, it's a little corgi back there.
I pet you, but then I gotta change my gloves.
Yeah.
Alright, so we're super dog friendly. There's no additional fee. There's just a refundable $50 deposit we put on your card
Okay.
that we hold on to until we check out, just in case your sweet big lady needs the comforter.
Okay.
And then, how many over 21 at your party? Just one?
Just me.
You got it. Okay, I will be right back.
Okay. Yeah, so you just drive in and they check you in. It's like a drive-through check-in here. And it looks like a redone motel, like a renovated motel. It's pretty cute though. I like the decor they did. Artwork is really fun.
Does she like treats?
Yeah. There you go, baby. You want a treat?
Offering. You can take it at your own pace, no pressure. Okay.
There you go.
Are you 128?
Okay.
On the left side there, towards the end, but not quite.
Okay.
Straight on the right, then loop around, and then parking is unassigned. You can park anywhere you choose.
Okay.
This little guy, you can actually redeem at the bar here until 10 p.m. for takeout or midnight for room service for a glass of our house beer house wine on us.
Okay.
We have a little puppy relief area right behind it here that kind of goes around the corner. You put
Okay.
Chinese. And the pool here is heated and salt water by this little gray wall. It's open until 10, same as the bar.
Okay.
Lobby staffed 24 hours a day. So if you need us for anything, just call. We're here for you. But
Okay.
yeah, let's go.
All right. So you said the bar is just for takeout only,
It's
right?
takeout until
Okay.
10, yeah, or room service.
Okay.
We just have stools in there. So ironically, you can enjoy your beverage anywhere but the actual bar.
Okay.
Yeah, you can take it literally anywhere.
All right. Okay. Cool. Thank you.
Here's the-
So yeah, I get a free drink with this chip, and then they also have free breakfast too in the morning. You just call and then they can bring it to you, or you can take it out, I guess. There's also a pool and a dog relief area. All these decorations are so, I love the wall art here. It's so cool. But yeah, I'm staying in room 128. At the end here. Looks like I got some neighbors. I like that I'm right by the door though, because I got a lot of stuff to take in. Cool. Over here, Kuma. I am staying at Hotel McCoy in Tucson, Arizona with my buddy Kuma, of course, and this is a pet-friendly hotel. Pets stay for free here, which is great. The hotel is super adorable. It's it used to be a motel. I mean, you can definitely tell it used to be a motel, but they renovated it and made it into this really awesome artsy hotel. They inspire creativity. I think they have like the local artists come and draw everything or have their input. I mean, right when I walk into my hotel room, there's like this chalkboard that inspires you to write something creative with chalk. So I thought that was really neat. But yeah, everything about this hotel room is so awesome. I love how they decorated it. I love the check-in process where it was a drive-in, so they're very safe. They're very aware of the pandemic. So I'm going on a road trip with Kuma from California to Florida. I'm returning home to Florida. And you know, along the way, I need to find pet-friendly hotels. And this one came up in Tucson, and I thought it was the perfect place to stay. So yeah, let me give you a tour of this really awesome room. So this is the outside. I'm in room 128 and you have like little tables here. Come on, come on. I like that I could park my car right in front of the hotel room. That makes it very convenient to bring in all my stuff with a dog too. we'll go explore later, Kuma. Come over here. So when I first walked in, I saw this chalk here, and I'm like, that's weird. What would I use the chalk for? Like, write something on the wall here? Which I wasn't gonna do. But then when I turned around, I saw this awesome chalkboard here, and you can write anything you want. And again, they inspire you to be creative. So it says, always be creating. I think, did they write this? They probably did. Anyway, I thought that was really neat. A really huge TV there, and dresser or console. And then this room comes with a king size bed, and I already kind of sat on it, and it was very comfortable. This is actually my own pillow. I brought my own pillow this time. See if it helps me sleep a little bit better. So yeah, that's the outside that you just saw a little bit of. And yeah, that's the interstate right above there, but I don't really hear it. This is the AC unit. You can hear it a little bit right now. Let me try to turn it off. So they have like a remote system for your AC. Let me see if it works. Should I turn it off? No? Set temp. Maybe it'll eventually work. So yeah, really cool looking lamp there. All the furniture here is really retro looking, the mid-century modern type of look. So this artwork is by Andy Burgess, and he's a local artist, I'm sure, for $325. So they feature local artist work, which is really neat. Over here, so this is their little closet section. So you get 3 hangers, and they have little, hooks here that you can hang stuff off on. And I just hung up my jacket, and I use this little bench to store all my luggage. The towel wasn't there. I put it there because somehow the water spilled. I don't think, Kuma, did you do that? Can't imagine you like spilling over the bowl. I must have somehow knocked it over. The kitchen area is really nice too. So they have 2 bar stools here. So if you want to eat, you can just eat up here. And so this is like a little kitchenette they have. And there's a kitchen sink. They actually have an electric stove, a portable electric stove, which was really cool. I didn't even know they were gonna have that. And if you want any kitchen utensils, you can ask for them at the front desk. And I'm sure they have like frying pans, plates, silverware, all that good stuff. Kuma's like, where is my food? It's our cooler right there. Hold on, baby, I'll feed you in a second. And then over here is a really cool looking microwave, and also a retro fridge. A little freezer up there, nice size fridge, and then a cool looking ice bucket. I really like this. Yeah, I noticed a lot of outlets too, so they've updated it to modern times. Here is the desk. It's my camera, I just left it here, but they give you some info on the place. They even give you an envelope for a service tip. So it just gives you information on the pandemic and how they're handling that. Room service, so they're now offering room service because of the pandemic. Yeah, so at check-in I was handed a menu, and if I want to order anything I can just call them or email them and get something to eat. Also, they have free breakfast from 6 to 10 a.m. Oh, and also I got a drink ticket, so I get a free drink, wine, beer, or whatever else. Yeah, and so lots of other information here. But I really like this desk as well. It's, again, very mid-century modern. And they have this outlet here, 2 outlets with 3 USB ports, some books to read, and pencil and a pencil sharpener. That was really cute. And here is the bathroom. It's a pretty good size. I like the sink size and the nice bright lights there. Big mirror. Their shower curtain is awesome. It's their hotel name. Gets a couple of hand towels, washcloths, and big towels over here. And then inside, just a regular looking shower. A little bit of a stain there, but not a big deal. And they have shampoo, conditioner, and body wash. Also over here, they provide some lotion, I believe that's soap, and sanitizer wipes, and some cotton swabs, Q-tips, and a nail filer. Oh, and they also have one of those magnifying mirrors, so that's nice. Always a bonus. So yeah, I'm really excited to stay here. Right now I'm gonna take a walk around the area in Wakuma. There's also a pet relief area here too, right by the entrance. So I'm gonna go over there. Also check out some of the wall art. There was some beautiful wall art that I saw when I drove in. And just give Kuma a little break too, because I think she's like ready to go. So yeah, lots of cool paintings around here and kind of like art installations, I feel like. This really nice alleyway here. They look like stars, like plastic stars, and like trees. Isn't that cool, Kuma? Kuma's just like, I just want to go. Tried to be a rainbow in someone's cloud. Maya Angelou. So they have a gym and laundry. The gym is closed right now because of the pandemic, but the laundry room is open, so you can use that if you need to. Yeah, nice pet relief area over here. They even have a dog waste station and looks like some kind of picture opportunity here.